Background refresh on your iPhone basically allows apps to fetch new data, updates, and refresh their feeds in the background, even when you're not actively using the app. This ensures that an app like Instagram will load instantly with all the recent content already in your feed, instead of needing to wait and load everything when you open the app. Also worth noting, this is not about notifications. Turning background refresh off does not stop push notifications. That's a separate setting. When an app is using background refreshing, it does use both battery and data. Usually not an issue for most users, but if you have an app that's consuming unreasonable amounts of battery or data, you might want to consider disabling that app's ability to refresh in the background. To configure your background app refresh, go to Settings, then under General, you'll have a menu here for Background App Refresh. There's basically two ways to control this. On the top, there's a master toggle that lets you set a general rule for your phone. Whether background refresh is allowed on both Wi-Fi and cellular data, only on Wi-Fi, or you could turn it off entirely. Below that, you'll see a list of your apps. If you want to prevent a specific app from refreshing in the background, just toggle that app off, and it won't refresh automatically anymore. Everything else continues to work normally, so this is a good way to limit those rogue apps that are doing a little too much in the background. One other thing to know, if you use low power mode on your phone, that automatically disables background refresh too. Since low power mode is all about saving battery, disabling background refresh is one of the many things it does to your phone to maximize the remaining battery life. Anyways, I hope that clears it up. Like this video if it helped you and subscribe for more. Thanks all.